Hello students, today I am going to explain you dictionary skills, vocabulary's first chapter. The student, in previous video I have explained antonyms. I have explained this chapter. Now I am going to explain first chapter of vocabulary, dictionary skills. The student, firstly let's know what is a dictionary. A dictionary is a book that tells us about words and their meanings. It tells us of words' meaning, its spelling and its pronunciation. It also gives us grammatical information about the word. Means a dictionary is a book that tells us the meaning of words, and we can check the spelling also there and pronunciation also. Yes, students, in dictionary the words are written in alphabetical order. Alphabetical means according to your alphabet, which letter will come first, that letter is given in dictionary first, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. According to this alphabet in dictionary we will find the word in the alphabetical order. Firstly we will find words that start with A, then B, then C, D in this manner. Students, there are given some words that you have to arrange in alphabetical order. Let's see this. Student, firstly what you will write? Hand, thigh, finger, leg. Which letter will come first in alphabet? Let's see. F. According to these words, which word will come first? F will come first, that's why I've written here finger. Then what will come? H is here. Then after F, H has came. That's why, and G is not there. There's not any words that start with G. That's why I've written here hand. Then what letter will left? Finger and hand has I've written. Then thigh and leg. Then which letter will come first? Let's see. L and T. Then L is here, and where's T? T is here. Then which letter has came first? L has came first according to T. Okay, means in both comparison L has came first. Then we will write firstly leg. That's why I've written here finger, F, then hand that start with H, then leg that start with L, and thigh that start with T. Let's see the second one. Saucer, cup, plate, and this. This word start with S, C, P, and D. Then which letter come first, student? S, C, P, D. Which letter? C is come first. That's why we will write cup. Then D. After C, this given D. Then we will write this. What's left? P and S. Then which letter come first? P and S. P is here and S is here. Then according this alphabet, P will come first. Then we will write P, like cup, dish, plate, and what is left? What is left? Saucer. Then we will write it at last. Saucer. Next, book, notebook, exercise book, and textbook. By seeing you can understand. B will come first. B will come first. By seeing these words, we can understand, student, B will come first. Okay, after A, B will come. Then we will write firstly book, then N, E, T. Students, when we have to write any word in alphabetical order, then we always see the first letter, N, E, T. Then E will come first. As you can see here, E is here and N is here. Then according these two words, E or N, and according alphabetical order, which letter will come first? E will come first. Then we will write E. Then what I've written? Book, exercise book, then notebook, and T. T is here, textbook. After N, T has came, then textbook. In the same way, carton, bus, bottle, bag. Students, you can see here there's two words that start with B. When these type of words you will find, then firstly check first letter, then the same, then check the second letter. What the second letter? There's given U and there's given A. then we will write the letter that come first in alphabet. Then U will come first or A will come first. Absolutely, A will come first. Okay, and U is here. Okay, then we will write this letter first. Bag, then bus. No, sorry, B is also here. Bottle is also here. Then firstly we will write this bag. Then we will check this two word. U will come first or O will come first. There's given O and there's given U. Then absolutely O will come first. Then write bottle, bag, bottle. There's not given any B again. Then the third word is bus. Was left carton. Then you will write it at last. Next, napkin, tiffin box and crayons and car. Student, as I've told you, when we find out the words that have the first letter same, words that have the first letter same, then firstly see which word will come first. N, T, B, C, C. B will come first. Sorry, I have not written here. No, sorry, it's a tiffin box. Okay, these are the same words. Okay, this is a single word. Then see, napkin, tiffin box, crayons and car. Then the N and T will come last. Then C, it will come first, but the letter are same. Then we will see the second letter A, and there's given R. Then absolutely A will come first. Then first letter we will write C, car. Then second letter crayon. N and T. N will come first. N is here and T is here. Then N will come first. Napkin, then tiffin, as I have written here. Car, crayons, napkin and tiffin box. Next, bus, route, bank, run. B, R, B, R. Then which letter? B is here and R is here. Okay, it means B will come first. Then B will come first. Now we have to find out which word we will write first, bus or bank. We will see the second letter. There's given U and there's given A. Then A will come first. Then we will write firstly bank, then write bus. Now we have to select route and run. There's given O and R. See, where's O? O is here and U is here. Then O will come first. That's why we will write route. Then write run. As I have written here, bank, bus, route and run. I hope students have understood. Let's see this exercise also. Then you will understand very well. Just given some words that we have to arrange in alphabetical order. Student, in this exercise we have to arrange these words in alphabetical order and find out the meaning from dictionary and write here. Then arrange this word in alphabetical order. We will see the first letter H, 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 B, W, M. Then firstly see which letter will come first. B will come first. Then balloon. We will write first balloon. Then after balloon what will come? H, W, M. See here, H, W, M. What will come? Where is H is here and W is here and M is here. Then according this, H will come first, then M will come, then U will come. Sorry, W will come. But student, there's a 3 words that start with H. Head, hot, heart. Then I have told you when you got these type of words, when the first letter is same of the words, then you will check the second letter. Then what the second letter? E, O, A. Then A will come first. Then we will write here heart. Now compare E and O. Then what will come first? E will come. Then head. The what letter will left? Hot. Which word left? Hot. Then we write hot. As I have told you, then after what will come? Mask and wardrobe. Mask will come. Write here mask and wardrobe. Okay, students, in this way we find out how to arrange the words in alphabetical order and how find out the words, how find out the meaning of word in dictionary. I hope students you have understood. Student, in this chapter you will not write any definition or exercise in copy. You will write exercise in the book. I will give you the answer of these exercises. You will do only in book. No need to write any definition and exercise in copy. And same here also in second chapter also you will only learn this. No need to write in copy. Okay. Regarding this, students, we have any query, then please message me or call me. Thank you.